Hello everybody, welcome to the 5th edition of the Healthcare Summit 2025. My name is Amar from Greenspace and we are proud to be the partners in this event held in this beautiful campus of IISc Bengaluru. Today our Chief of R&D, Tahira ma'am, is going to be partaking in a panel discussion involving Quantum Ayurveda, the latest advancement in Greenspace technology. So here is the gist of how the event is going so far.
So we base our ingredient or formulations through taking the leads and evidences from Ayurveda. Use the AI technology to integrate the dosage, regulatory status and the geographical conditions of the origin of the herbs from AI-based platforms. We use those quantum principles to energize the frequencies within these ingredients, subject them to the clinical studies. So we blend, we preserve the holistic approach, the ratios that Dr. Anil was speaking. We ensure that the ratios are maintained and which of the phytochemical compounds have to be isolated and to express, which one has to express, energize. Then also do this, while we do the clinical studies, we also ensure that we do the safety studies. That again answers Dr. Satish's question. So that's the way we blend and bring out the formulations in nutraceuticals.